Hey guys, welcome to Odd Jobs. Doing my favorite thing, working my truck. What's my big deal today is both of them. You can see them. They're gone. Gone. Gonna be a lot of wind noise because I'm working out in the wind, at least for a little while. That. Wow, get all this stuff straight. So take this off. So this one here, I had tried to repair it once before. Wow, that wind, eh? Yeah, I tried to repair it once before by putting in a new cable and crimping it. It didn't work so good. Well, it worked. It held. But when this other side went, that kind of, that ended it. So I'm going to use this as a kind of a gauge so I know how long to make the strap, right? So this at one time was in here, and that's the length I need there. I'm thinking I'm going to use jack chain. I don't know if it's going to work really good. Don't know if it's going to bind, if there's even clearance in between the tailgate and the well to accept it. But if I do it, I end up completely destroying these, but they're broken anyway, so I don't think it's going to be a big deal. It's going to take a bit of grinding, if I have my grinder around, or something of the sort. Anyway, I'm going to cut this up, and then I'm going to go inside the shop. So inside the shop we go. The one that goes against in the tailgate, this piece here, I could kind of maybe make that round enough so that I don't need this one on the gate side. The other side, however, it flips in a keyhole. So that one there, I'm thinking I'm going to have to, I don't know, drill a hole, run the chain through it, crimp it back up. Don't know how that's going to work yet. Okay, so I think I'm going to cut the chain to length and then deal with it after. So we're going to cut this chain. This one here is the one I'm going to try and expand. So let's cut this one out here. Some days you got to work with what you got, and all of what you got with the hacksaw. So this is what I'm after here. I think what's going to happen is that it's going to hang through here, and once it's through here, probably down there, so we have some play, and then crimp it, if I can get it out of here. May end up just cutting it. Okay. So that was a little easier than I thought, a lot easier than I thought. Do that. I think that'll crimp down. I do. So that's going to hook on. When the gate's closed, it's going to be this. It's going to be this, and then it's going to open. It's going to go like, yeah. Can we make this round enough? Can we make that round enough now? If we don't, if we can't, then I'm going to have to do the same thing to this as I did to this. I'm going to try to make it round first, or at least make it big enough to get it in. Let's see. So what's happening is, well, you can see what's happening. It's deforming everything. So might not have been the smartest thing for me to do, but you don't know how something's going to work until you work it, right? Oh, that looks like it's going to work. Where I'm at now with this is that I'm going to say, go get the other one and do the same. Because that was easy. Yeah, so this is the bolt. They're called the shoulder bolt. If ever you need something like this, they're called shoulder bolts because they have a shoulder. Don't forget that, because you can only bring it in so far and the shoulder stops it from going in. So, and they're made to fit very specifically. Okay, so the size matters. Anybody tries to tell you the size doesn't matter, it matters. See, this one here, that'll be okay. We'll even crimp this one in a bit so it'll fit just a bit better. Alright, how am I going to do that now without pinching my fingers? A little bit at a time, I think. I think that'll be okay in the end. Yeah, it just slips right on there. Yep, I can live with that one. Oh man, when things are hard, you ask yourself why sometimes. So, and this is the critical point. Did I have it hook over? Yes, I had it hook over. I want to do things exactly the same on both, so that I don't want one hook or one side to take more stress than the other side. It's pretty close. Well, let's go see how it works. We're back out in the wind. Yeah, I must admit though, it's nice to be outside. Now, if I knew what part of the world you guys were from, I would say it. So let me know down in the comments where you're from and how your winter was. Ours here was horrendous. Okay, so I want the chain here to rest pretty natural. So I don't want any kinks in it, but I want this here to sit flat against the body. So then it goes like so. This here. Now these you tighten up until it's a dead stop, right? Because it is a shoulder bolt. You can't tighten it too much, and you can't tighten it not enough. You tighten it as it needs to be. So that's good. Okay, that's the left side's done. I'm going to do the right side as well. I put that there. It is. So I want this one here to lay flat this way. I don't want it to be this way because you see it's going to rub all the time. But here, I think this one here is going to give us the best chance for clearance. And tight enough. All right, we're gonna put it on. Nothing looks easy, eh? Okay, so tailgates, okay. One side, rounded side in. That's it. Another side in. So now this one here, I want it to be here. Yep. Chain's holding it for now. This one here. This chain's gonna go here. Lift it up just a hair to get it in. Yeah, they feel pretty good. Let's give it a turn. Oh, did you see that? Wow. It got lots of clearance. It doesn't sound bad. Everything is, oh my God. So if you're in a bind, got some jack chain, that's all you need. All right. If you got something out of this video, hit that super thanks down below, or give me the thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching Odd Job. This was a